Okay, so this has been in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. I'm just going to take the spatula and just kind of smooth it out a little bit more since it's cold. Right about there. And then in here, I'm just going to kind of blend this part in at the edge just a little bit more. Not much. Okay, now what I want to do here is, actually with the fondant, I just want to cover about a lot of the christening dresses, the top kind of ends here, and then this part is the flowing gown coming down. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually have part of my gown open, like here and here. So this part right here, or not, maybe not even that much, a little bit less, would be more of a smooth fondant here. And then down here would be smooth. And then on the sides, it would have more motion, like draping and things to it. And up here, this part would be smooth, but the sleeves would be a little bit puffy. So what I'm going to do is take some of this fondant and actually kind of cut a straight edge. And I'm going to save this piece off to the side just for a second. And actually right here, that looks pretty darn thick. That's way too thick in the middle. I'm going to have to just roll this out a little bit more here. Okay, so I want this pretty much right here, and it has to go over the sleeves and down. So I have to turn it a little bit so it'll go right down, straight down there. Lift this out, smooth that, smooth this down, and then in here, smooth this in. Okay, that's the puffy part, the buttercream. This is the smoother part. Lift this out, kind of push that in. Lift this out, push that in. And then same on this side, get this tucked in. Notice I'm moving my body so that I can get my finger in the right position. If I go like this, I'm pretty much going to poke a hole in the fondant, and I don't want that. Smooth here, and then in here, between those buttercream lines that we had on there, and then down. Okay, and smooth it the rest of the way down. And I can go ahead and trim some of this off. Okay. Now the part that goes in here, it's easier to actually use a spatula to kind of get some of that out. Okay, now at this point, I'm going to grab my board. I'm going to place it on a half sheet board that's silver. And then I'm going to put, this is double-sided tape that you get at a office supply store. It's like a foamy tape. Pick this up. Kind of tuck this under a little bit, all the way around. And I like to place it kind of at an angle. I think I'll do it this way.